Yes, indeed, YouTube. It is your guy, 74 Midwest Bass. As you can see, we've got two subs sitting in front of you. Obviously, the one on the left needs a recon kit, but these are the same subs, just different versions. So on the left, you've got the American Bass XFL 15 V.1, and on the right, as most people would recognize, you've got the American Bass XFL 15 V.2. So this is on a brief comparison, as much as we can without the cone being in there. First thing is on the old ones, they had the normal round foam surround. On the new ones, they've got the ribbed foam surround. They both came with direct wire tensile leads. Also, the most major difference that you'll see is the new V2 is about 1.5 to 2 inches taller than the V1. They both came with the copper coil, except on the new one, it has the black on the coil. Not too sure. I believe they both came with double stitched round tensile leads. On the V1, you can see that it had venting for these holes here. On the V2, it also has venting, but it's a much wider gap in the venting, allowing for more airflow for heat dissipation. The next thing you'll notice is different between the V1 and V2 is that on the V1, I'm pretty sure we had triple stack magnets. Yes, indeed, as you can see, on the V1, triple stack magnets, but they're thinner slugs. On the V2, we've got double stack magnets, but they're way thicker. Also, the motor on the V2 is a slightly bit bigger, slightly bit wider, and about the same height as the V1. Yes, indeed. And also, they both have the black back plate with the venting holes and pole venting. So venting holes and pole venting. But the difference on this is the V1 was rated at 1,000 RMS, 2,000 peak, and the V2 is rated at 1,500 RMS, 3,000 peak. It's indeed, so a 500 watt gain on a newer version, plus a taller basket and motor structure, which allows for more X-Max. Yes, indeed. That's pretty much it for the comparison. And when we get the recon in for the V1 and also the V2s, we'll do another comparison and just an update on it and show you how it looks with the cone and assembly. Yes, indeed, YouTube, it's your guy, and we out of there.